lovely people. Welcome back. How are you doing today? I think we should ask, how are you feeling today? Happy? So happy? Sad? So sad? Whatever it is, everything is going to be okay. All right? And I want to talk to you about something really interesting. Every time I review a book, people come back asking to me, don't lie. Do you really read these many books? And I say, yes, please believe me, I read the books. I spend a lot of my time reading books. And they ask me, okay, then where do you buy the books? So in this video, I want to share where do I buy my books. Every month, I try to buy at least 2 to 3 books, and I try to read at least 4 books every month. But I usually do 2 or maximum 3. And where do I purchase these books? Or is the question. 99% I'll buy the books from Amazon.com. So whatever books that I have is always from Amazon.com. The reason is so simple. That is very cost effective. Amazon gives you a lot of offers, and other sites I also try to purchase from Flipkart, and I first check it online. So most of the books that I purchase are from online. So Amazon.com, Snapdeal, and Flipkart. So this is the order. Snapdeal doesn't have all the books. Flipkart, most of the time they'll have almost 50% of the books whatever we have in Amazon is available on Flipkart. But Amazon.com, they started the company as a bookstore, right? It's an online bookstore. So that's the reason they give you a lot of offers, and they give you a lot of recommendations. That's something that I really like about Amazon.com. They know what type of a reader you are, because you search a lot of books, or you might have purchased books in the past. So they know who you are, and sometimes they tell you, see, I find something, readers who purchase this book will also read this book. Would you like to check it out? Most of the time it would be related to us, because computers knows more than what we know these days. Computers are watching us every day. They don't, whatever you do in the Google, that goes to Amazon. Whatever you do in Amazon, that goes to Google, Facebook. They all are connected or interconnected in the background. So the algorithm works more efficiently than what we know. So most of the time I try to see what are the recommendations that we have in the Amazon. And sometimes they give packaged books. Let's say recently I saw one of the book called Thomas L. Friedman's book, and I liked this book, and I purchased it few months before. Suddenly it popped up in recommendations stating that I have an offer for you, and it showed 3 bundle books for 400 rupees, and individually it costs around 700 rupees. So I purchased all 3 books. So like that, Amazon gives you a lot of offers, but Flipkart, I don't think they'll give you offers. So I purchase all my books from Amazon.com. That's my bookstore, not my bookstore, the bookstore where I purchase the books. And sometimes if you go to Pondicherry, never forget to visit Sunday market. Sunday market will have a lot of books, and they are more cheaper than what we have in Amazon.com. But the books are not that good. I mean, in the sense, you don't have versatile topics or versatile authors. Most of the time you can buy self-help books there. And that's the second point where I usually purchase books. And the third and the most important one is OLX.com. OLX.com has a lot of collections of books, and when I come to Bangalore or when I go to Pondicherry or Chennai, I try to search in that circle if somebody is trying to sell any kind of OLX or any books, self-help or non-fiction, and that works. I mean, most of the time they used to say, just take it for 50, take it for 100, and I would first see how good the book is, and then I'll say, okay. So these are the 3 things. So you tell me, where, if you are a avid reader, tell me, where do you purchase your books? And do you sell books? Do you sell books? No, I don't sell books. Whatever books that I purchase, I have it. I will never try to sell it, because you see, books, as I told you, they are like, one book is equal to 10 friends or 10 people's mind, right? One book is equal to 10 people's mind. I think I also read this in a book. So I will never sell my books. I definitely need my books for points that I refer, and for the speeches that I write in the future. I'll refer books. I'll take inputs or information from the books. So don't ever try to sell the books. That's my kind advice, humble advice. Keep the book. Maybe if you're not reading, somebody in your family would read. Not today, maybe someday your family grows, or someone in the family, maybe a guest who comes to your family for a visit, they may see the book and say, hey, I like this book, can I take it? So I've lost a lot of books like that. People come to me and ask, say, can I read this and give to you? I'll say, yes, please take it, and that will never come. But yeah, it's good that you have the books, and don't sell the books. Whatever books that you have, please try and read it and have it and refer it quite often. That's something that we forget. We read the book and then mark it read and then throw it away. Don't do that. Try and review the books. I review my books at least once a year. I'll just go through it because I have this habit of writing down what are the important points in each and every book, and I'll stick it as a paper, or I'll write it on the last page, and I'll review it quite often. That's something that you can try. That will help you to keep up to date of the book. Maybe you don't have to forget. So that's something that I thinking about. I also have this idea that I'm not just going to write it on the back of the paper or the back of the books. I'm going to write it in a digital format from now on. I'm going to put it on the book reviews. Along with the book reviews, I'm going to mention the important points in the YouTube itself, so that people can get benefit. Maybe they want to just see one point and see if this book is for me. Just because I'm reviewing it, that doesn't mean you will like it. So you can just see two or three points, two or three important points, which I feel it's really important. You can have a look at it. If it feels it's important for you, you can buy the book. If not, who cares? So yeah, I'm going to put this as a digital format from now on. It's an idea that came from one of you who's watching. Thank you. Yeah. So that's all I have for you. Let me know. Don't forget, let me know, where do you purchase your books, and how do you read the books. Thank you for watching. You have a great day today. Bye for now.